Understanding color one's opinion, a deep dive. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase that often pops up in conversations, debates, and even in writing. We're talking about color one's opinion. Stick around as we dive deep into its meaning, usage, and how you can incorporate it into your English vocabulary effectively. Let's get started. When someone says that something colors one's opinion, they're referring to the influence that alters or shapes a person's perspective or view on a particular matter. It's important to understand that this phrase usually implies that the opinion is affected subtly or indirectly. This influence can stem from personal experiences, biases, emotions, or any external factors that sway one's thinking in a specific direction. For example, if a person has had a bad experience with a product, their negative experience might color their opinion about the brand, making them biased against it even if the product in question has improved. Now that we know what it means, let's look at how to use color one's opinion in sentences. This will not only help you understand the phrase better but also teach you how to apply it in everyday conversations or writing. 1. After reading several negative reviews, my opinion on the movie was colored before I even saw it. 2. Her past experiences with the legal system colored her opinion on the matter, making it difficult for her to view the case objectively. 3. Sometimes, personal biases can color our opinions without us even realizing it. Notice how in each sentence, the phrase is used to indicate that the opinion is not entirely based on objective facts but is influenced by other factors. Understanding and using phrases like color one's opinion can significantly enhance your English communication skills. It allows you to express complex ideas succinctly and makes your language richer and more nuanced. Moreover, recognizing when opinions might be colored can help you develop critical thinking skills, encouraging you to look beyond the surface and question the basis of your own and others' opinions. We hope this exploration of color one's opinion has been enlightening and adds a vibrant shade to your English vocabulary palette. Remember, language is not just about words but the ideas and nuances they convey. Keep practicing, and don't let biases color your opinion too much. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video where we'll uncover more fascinating aspects of the English language. Happy learning!